Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Journey. In this video, we'll discuss about what is audience in the Meta Business Suite. So audience, you can see that audience is basically who see your ads. Like in this particular audience part, we have to decide which particular who will see our ads. These ads, we will target the people according to the location, on the basis of their age, on the basis of their gender. So we can define the targeted audience, and in that we have to define who can see our ads. So that people we will select they can see our ads. So we have to target only them. So the two option is there. The first one is the advantage plus audience. In that, the Facebook will automatically set up the audience part. We doesn't need to vary anything. The basic audience, the basic part, we can change it here. You can see here, you can see change the age group, you can change gender. So basically in advantage plus audience, we doesn't need to vary about that. Let's our ad technology automatically find your audience and adjust our time to reach more people who are likely respond to your ads. So here you can see that in the advantage plus audience, firstly the Facebook will run this ad completely India wise. Once the ads will be run India wise, so here the Facebook technology will automatically find what kind of the people are messaging you. So the people started showing this ad to these kind of the people who are responding to your ads. So here are the audience details, like location India, minimum is this, advantage plus audience on. So here, from here you can also change, if you want to change here, as you can see that here the first option is the gender. So you can decide you want to show your ads to gender or man and woman both. Otherwise you want to show your ads only man, so you can select only man. Otherwise you can select woman. So this is a part. You can select your gender to which you want to show the ads. The age group is there. You can select 18 to 30, 18 25 to 22 to 30. So on the basis of that you can decide what is the age group. So for every products the age group is different. Suppose I am selling the courses, so the courses will be limited to maximum 25 or 30 age group. It can be start from 15 to 830. So this is the part we have. And if you are selling the children schools, suppose if you are selling the sneakers type, the sneaker can be adult type fashion. So the adult, you have to target the adults person. Now the location is there. In this you have to mention the locations, in which area you want to target. If you can deliver, if you can do the business worldwide, if you can do the business completely country in India, so you can mention the India. Otherwise if you want to do the business in local area, the local area can be Gurgaon, Delhi. So you can just enter the local area. Suppose if you want to do the business in Delhi, so just you have to enter the Delhi here. So the Delhi location will be there. Now the ads will be reflected under India in the Delhi position. So here you can see the map also. This is the Delhi location, the New Delhi area, Gurgaon, Bahadurgarh. This is area. In this ad, this ad will be shown. Now the audience definition is there. You can see here the currently we have mentioned the Delhi location, so the ads is created as the specific, and the estimated audience size is the 46.5 million to 54.7 million. So this is the estimated audience size, whatever the location we have selected, what are the age group, and whatever the gender we have selected. Now here you can see that if you will increase the age group, suppose if you increase the age group, the estimated size will be increased. You can see here the estimated size will be increased. So try to create who are interested in your product to purchasing, not for just general DMs or message. Who are interested in purchasing, we have to target them. So the message is there, reach more people likely to respond to your ad. What happens is people will identify who is messaging you from the ads part. Once the people will the Facebook will identify these people is messaging, so the Facebook start promoting your ads content to those people only. Now the detailed targeting is there. In the detailed targeting you can target the person on the basis of their interest. On the basis of their interest means just like suppose I am selling the digital marketing course. So initially I will target the student. You can see that the student demographics, on the basis of the demographics and interest I can select. So I will target college student. You can see that college student is there, so we can select a college student. In the same way, if they are interested in digital marketing, if the interest is in digital marketing, so they can select a digital marketing strategies. So on the basis of that we can identify and we can create the separate interest for the separate project, a separate industry according. So just have to click on the save audience. Once you will click on the save audience, so you can see here the location part and optimization location has been done. This has been created. Like particular, we have created a separate audience that we are using for targeting and marketing to these audience only. Now you will see the some predefined list is there. In that we have mentioned our existing audience, like for our products. Like we can create a separate list that we can target. Like this is the Janit Yadav. In this list you can see that the audience size is there, minimum is there, age group is there, advanced stage plus audience is on. So from here we can identify, we have created a separate audience segmentation. From that that particular list we can also target instead of creating a new. Suppose if this is the first time, if you are promoting any product, any service first time, then you have to create the audience list. Otherwise, if you are creating another times, if you are creating the ads another time, then you can retarget the same list for that next time. So this is the audience part. Basically in this you will classify like who can see your ads, whatever the ads you will run in terms of the creative, in terms of the reels, in terms of the video. So in that we can identify, we can justify like who can see your ads on the basis of their interest, on the basis of their demographics, on the basis of their location, on the basis of their age group. So we can classify who can see our ads. So this is the audience part in the Facebook ads. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this course with someone who want to learn the digital marketing. Thank you. Have a nice day.